Okay, we're doing another Facebook Live here, and I'm going to do a demonstration on how to clean these griddles up. It is not hard at all. It takes very little time. So the first thing you need is a scraper like this, and you'll just want to scrape the grill. Scrape the grill and get all the stuff knocked off of it. And then rake it off. It's actually this fast. And then here's the portion, here's the thing that you got to watch. You can get steam burn on this thing real easy, and that's why I wanted to show this portion. And I've got it cooled down so it's not real hot right now. But you'll throw water on this and get it to steaming. And you can get steam burnt real easy, so it's very important that you use long tongs. And I use a paper towel. You don't have to use a paper towel. You can use a rag, whatever you want to do. You see that steam coming off there? You can get a steam burn really quick. Wet the surface down real well. And just simply wipe it. Wipe it down really good. Just like that. Turning it over. Now, that griddle is not only steam cleaned, it's sterile. That is sterile now. Now I'm going to put a light coat of oil. And this is how you season your griddle. Put a light coat of oil. I'm going to do this with paper towel. Just put some paper towels on it and put a light thin coat of oil on it. I use canola oil. You can use any kind, you can use lard, it doesn't matter. Put a light thin coat of that oil all across your griddle. Heat it high enough that the oil starts to smoke, and then turn it off. The griddle is now cleaned and ready for its next use. Now before I start to use it the next time, I heat the griddle back up, I put water on there, I steam it, I clean it again, I steam it and sterilize it. So it's good to go. Thanks for watching.